Hi guys, today is my second video and I'm going to introduce to you the smallest ever puzzle box on YouTube. Part 1. Smallest one. It's smaller than a brick. It's a 2 by, it's actually the width of it's actually a square. The width of a cube, no, not a cube, a square. So it's a bit a bit shorter than a normal brick. Try to see. It's a bit smaller. Oh, but it's the same size, but this is the height. Okay, let's probably block the other one. So how to open this box? I'll be first do a 360-degree view. That is small. Just basically a little box, but very clearly you can see the money there. This is not an event. This is a bandage of it. You can't shake anything out, of course. Any other puzzle. So the simple way to get it is like 3 steps. First step is to put your finger and push just one of the small pieces downward. You can see the money, but you still can't get it. The second step is to then push the other piece, and now you get something like this. It totally exposed the money, and this that step 3 is just to ensure that all fails. Yeah, so it's simple, powerful, smallest ever. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you.